Hey guys, welcome to my 4C++ tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to be covering basic stuff, and this is going to be part 2. So let's get started. Go ahead and make an integer called a. I don't know if I told you that, guys, but you don't have to declare the value of the variable on the same line as you declare the variable. So I could declare the value of a as 80 over here, or I could go ahead and write a equals 80 here. It wouldn't really make a difference as long as I don't forget the semicolons. So let's make another integer called b, and here. Now some other basic stuff. Let's just declare b as 80 again, and semicolon. Oops. And I don't know if you know this, but you can use C++ to do basic math stuff like a plus b. I think I already told you that, but you can use it for something like a times b, and this don't use the x for the multiplication sign. Use the star that's on top of the 9 on your number pad, or it's shift and 8 right, and the 8 right over the u and I on your keyboard. So, or you could do / for dividing. So let's just make another integer called integer sum. So we could do, first let's just put the semicolon before we forget, and then you could do sum is equal to a times b, okay, and semicolon, and c out. So 80 times 80 is equal to, and sum, and end line, and semicolon. Go ahead and press F9 on your keyboard or build and run. And here it is. It says 80 times 80 is equal to 6,400. I think that's right, because 8 times 8 is 64, and there's 2 zeros, so 6,400. I think that's right. And yes, we just multiplied this. Now let's divide it, and go ahead and press F9. 80 times 80 is equal to 1, but it's supposed to be divided. divided. Okay, sorry about the typos, but I don't feel like fixing them. And here it is. 80 divided by 80 is equal to 1. But what if you have a number like 174? Oops, 174. Go ahead and press F9, and it's a divided by b. Oops. So let's just go ahead and fix this first. So let's make this 80 and make this 174, and go ahead and press, let's just write 174 and go ahead and press F9. Is equal to 2, but as you guys probably know, 80 times 2 is 160, and then there's 14 extra, so that the remainder is 14. But C++ will not show the remainder unless you write the percent sign, and if you just press F9. I'm not gonna fix it. So it says, forget this part, because I just wrote this, but just just imagine it says the remainder of 174 divided by 80 is equal to 14. So if you want the remainder, you can go ahead and put the percent sign. For those of you who don't know where it is, it's right on top of the R and T on your keyboard. It's the 5, so you have to press Shift and 5. So yes, that's how you get the remainder, and that's all I have for you guys for now. And don't forget to watch my next tutorial. See you guys later.